In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello Essentials, how to assign tasks, use labels and checklists like a pro. Start by logging into Trello and opening the board you want to work on. Choose a card that represents the task you're managing and open it to see the full details. On the right side, find the Members option. Click it to view everyone who has access to the board, then select the teammate or teammates you want to assign. Their avatar will appear on the front of the card, and they'll receive a notification and an email letting them know they've been added. This is a great moment to make sure your card title and description are clear so assignees instantly understand the task. If you need to remove someone, just click their avatar again to unassign. Next, let's make labels work for you. Open the Labels menu on the card, click the pencil icon next to a label to rename it, and add a helpful description, then click Save. This is where you can turn color-coded labels into a shared language for your team. Think, priority, status, or type of work. After saving, click the label to apply it to the card. You can add more than one, and they'll display on the card front so status is visible at a glance. Consistent names and descriptions make filtering and scanning your board much faster. Now, build momentum with checklists. Click Checklist, give it a clear title, and click Add. You can type items one by one, or save time by copying a list from a spreadsheet or text file, one item per line, and pasting it to add them all at once. As you complete items, Trello shows a progress bar and percentage that fill up and turn green when everything is done. Use checklists to break a large task into small, manageable steps. Each item should be a single, actionable task, so it's easy to finish and check off. You can also assign checklist items to specific members right from the checklist, which helps clarify ownership at a more granular level. If timing matters, add a due date to an item so it's clear when that piece needs to be completed. These assignments and due dates help teammates track what's on their plate and stay aligned. That's it. Log in, open your board and card, assign members for ownership, use clear labels for visibility, and create checklists to drive consistent progress. Try these steps on a sample card today, and you'll see how quickly your workflow becomes more focused and collaborative.